Hey, what's up everybody? Today I have a very exciting tutorial for you, that is Brandon Woelfel edit effect. It all can be done in few minutes. It's not that hard you think. You must have a basic knowledge of Picsart, Lightroom. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Add validated model image in Lightroom application. Then open Lightroom. Then all photo, then open the model image. Then go to light, then decrease the exposure, increase the contrast, and do as like I am doing. Then go to temperature section and have some color correction. Do as like I am doing. Then go to vignette. Then clarity को थोड़ा कम. Then open selective tool. Go to selection. Then select hardness. Then increase the hardness. And simply select the background. Now open the light tool, then decrease the exposure, increase the contrast and highlight. Then decrease the temperature. Then choose the color blue. Then simply brush out the area. Then save the photo. Then open the photo in Picsart application. Then add some PNG I have given in my description. Then choose that PNG. I have given 5 PNG. Then adjust the PNG at the head of the photo. Then choose blend and screen. Now simply erase out on the head. Hardness थोड़ा कम, size भी थोड़ा कम. Okay, simply erase out. Now click on the second photo and change the blend mode. Then go to hue and decrease the hue. Then adjust the PNG at the Then go to the third PNG. Now simply adjust the PNG. Then open 2 images I have given in my description. Then change the view mode. Then change the hue on the neck of the photo. Then click OK. I will lighten the sunglass of the model image. Now save the photo and open in the Lightroom application. Then open Lightroom application. I have given a preset link in my description. That is the Brandon Woelfel light effect. Now simply open the preset, then go to option, then copy the setting. Make sure that check out all the setting. Then click OK. Then open the model image, then go to option, then paste the setting. Photo is fully colorized. If you like, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.